Video, I'm going to teach you how to connect QuickBooks Online with Mailchimp and send a campaign. We'll start inside QuickBooks Online. Open your QuickBooks account, sign in, and look at the left side menu. Click All Apps. This takes you to the Apps Marketplace, which is where QuickBooks lists trusted apps that integrate with your company. Using the Marketplace keeps everything secure and helps ensure your data syncs correctly. In the search bar, type Mailchimp. When you see the Mailchimp app, click Get App Now or Connect. Follow the prompts to link your accounts. You'll be guided through authorizing access, which may include signing into Mailchimp and confirming permissions so the two platforms can talk to each other. Take a moment to review what data will be shared. Granting only what you need keeps your setup clean and compliant. Next, choose what to sync. Select Contacts or Customers from QuickBooks. This tells the integration to pull your customer list into Mailchimp as contacts. If you're presented with field options, keep names and email addresses selected so your email is personalized properly. You can always refine later, but start with the essentials to get moving quickly. Now set your sync options. You can choose automatic or manual. Automatic keeps Mailchimp updated as you add or edit customers in QuickBooks, which is great for staying current without extra work. Manual gives you more control, letting you push updates on your schedule. If you're new to this, you might start with manual to review what's coming over, then switch to automatic once you're comfortable. Open Mailchimp and go to Audience. This is where your synced QuickBooks contacts will appear. Give it a moment if you just connected the accounts, then refresh and check that the expected contacts are present. Spot check a few records to make sure names and email addresses look right. If you see tags or source indicators referencing QuickBooks, that's a good sign your sync is properly labeled. You're ready to create a campaign. In Mailchimp, start a new email campaign and select the audience that contains your synced QuickBooks contacts. Design your email by choosing a template, adding your logo, and writing a clear subject line and preview text. Personalize with merge tags like first name if they're available, and keep your message concise and valuable. Use the preview and test features to double-check links and formatting on desktop and mobile. When everything looks good, schedule or send your campaign. That's it. Your QuickBooks customers will receive your message, and you can track results right in Mailchimp.